Meet Frank, an engineer who's tired of wasting hours manually entering data from his CAD designs into his ERP system. If you're anything like Frank, this video is for you. We're going to help Frank eliminate his frustrations by using CADTALK, getting him from design to production 5 times faster and helping him make more money because he's more productive. Frank and thousands of engineers like him face 3 major pain points every day. Manual data entry. Frank has to type everything from his CAD system into Infor CSI. It's slow, tedious, and takes him away from real engineering. 2. Human error. Copying data into spreadsheets leads to costly mistakes that stall production. 3. No visibility. Once data leaves engineering, changes are hard to track, and Frank loses confidence in what's actually being built. CADTALK, a pre-built integration between Frank's CAD and ERP, is here to help Frank. It automatically pulls data from Autodesk Inventor and transforms it into a complete, production-ready BOM inside of Infor Cloud Suite Industrial, without the need for manual steps, spreadsheets, or stress. Frank's just finished this assembly in Inventor and needs to get it into CSI. With CADTALK installed, the plugin lives right inside Inventor, ready to launch when he is. Instead of exporting a spreadsheet, printing drawings, or retyping everything into CSI, Frank clicks into CADTALK. Behind the scenes, CADTALK processes the entire assembly, materials, quantities, operations, properties, and builds a proposed BOM automatically. The interface color codes everything to help Frank quickly understand what's happening. Red items are brand new and don't yet exist in CSI. Green items already exist in CSI. And yellow means something exists in CSI, but we are proposing changes to it. Frank can open up the full indented BOM structure and see exactly what's being added, reused, or updated. He can also edit properties before anything is pushed, updating descriptions, setting make or buy logic, or reviewing routing steps, all without leaving the CADTALK interface. Once Frank is ready, he can click Save. Frank's job is now complete. CADTALK is doing all the work for him, and he can choose to kick up his feet and relax, or move on to his next project, while CADTALK pushes the entire BOM directly into Infor CSI. Just like that, you'll see everything turn green, meaning it's been created or updated in CSI. No manual entry, no errors, no wasted time. What used to take hours, or even days, now takes only minutes. Instead of wasting time exporting spreadsheets, writing macros, or using custom scripts, CADTALK reconciles everything directly, quickly, and reliably. Since this is Frank's first time using CADTALK, let's double-check that everything worked. Switching over to Infor CSI, Frank can search for the turbine he just pushed, and there it is, a fully built, accurate, production-ready assembly with all the data he needs in place. No spreadsheets, no back and forth, just real-time data flowing from design to manufacturing. Thanks to CADTALK, Frank eliminated manual data entry, reduced human error, gained full visibility over design changes, and got to the shop floor 5 times faster. Now Frank gets to spend more time engineering and less time data wrangling. Want to be just like Frank and help your team? Schedule your personalized demo today at cadtalk.com/demo. We'll show you how simple and powerful real CAD to ERP integration can be. Happy integrating!